So, in today's digital evolving business landscape, one thing is crystal clear. Generative AI is not just future, it is the present. At Induce, we are helping businesses reimagine how generative AI can be applied not only in case of marketing and chatbots, but in real world business use case, especially in case of research journals. At Induce, we have developed a generative AI solution which can summarize hundreds of research journals, saving hours of manual work. Plus, it will provide business insights to stakeholders, which will help them to make innovative decisions from research journals, which can enhance their business. Hi, I'm super excited to show you how we have developed generative AI powered tool to bring business level values from research papers. So here is demo for it, and this is the UI. In browse file, you can upload multiple research papers. I'm uploading 2 research paper here. Research papers are being uploaded and they have been processed successfully. You can upload research paper in PDF, Word or text files. Now you can generate summary, business insights or impact on industries. So I will generate each one of them one by one. Summary can be generated in 4 formats: concise, detailed, bullet point summary or easy to understand summary. Let's generate concise summary. Note that the research paper which we have uploaded was based on application of generative AI in electronics sector. So you can see here concise summary for each research paper is generated here. I'm reading this for you. This article discusses transformative impact of generative AI in consumer electronics. And the second research paper explores the application of generative AI combining AI and genetic algorithms. This is the concise summary. Second is detailed summary. As you can see on screen, detailed summary, it provides introduction, then applications. It provides every heading in detailed version. If you are someone who is doing research work, or if you want detailed explanation of a research paper, then you can opt for detailed summary. You can see here everything is explained in elaborative form. Here is the conclusion and future research as well. And similarly for second research paper, the detailed summary is generated. Now, jumping on bullet point summary, it gives you point-to-point summary of entire research paper. So you can see here, point-to-point summary is generated. Let me scroll up. So you can see this is the summary for research paper. This is useful if you want a point-to-point explanation of research paper. You don't have time to read paragraphs, then you can see the important points are also highlighted here. So it gives you clear vision. Now, the last is easy to understand summary. If you are someone who is from non-academics background and unaware of research terms, then this one is for you. You can see in easy to understand language, this article discusses use of generative artificial intelligence in consumer electronics. The authors highlight generative AI application in product design and optimization, image and video generation, content creation, etc. So for both research paper, easy to understand summary is generated. You can also generate business insights. Business insights provide you the points which are useful for stakeholders for decision making regarding the research paper. So let me generate business insights. If you are a stakeholder and you are interested to make innovative decision using research work, then you can opt for business insights, which will provide you opportunities and challenges regarding research paper. It will help you to stay informed and make innovative decisions according to current market trends. So these are the opportunities. What are the opportunities? Enhanced user experience, streamlined product development, then improved customer support, etc. And what are the challenges? Data bias, data privacy, etc. So this is useful for stakeholders. You will also get specific decision making application. And similarly for second research paper, you are getting business insights. It also provides opportunities, challenges, and risk associated with the research paper. So it saves your time as you get direct thing, which is your cup of tea. Okay, now next is impact on industries. This provides how the different kinds of industries are affected from this research paper. So let's generate impact. All the industries which are directly or indirectly affected by this research paper, they are listed here. So you can see from this research paper, following industries are being affected: product design optimization, image and video generation, content creation, stimulation and testing, etc. So these are the list of industries. Similarly, for second research paper, it will be generated below. You can see here. So you can directly see what all industries are being affected. Not even this, if you have custom questions regarding research papers, then also you can ask using this tool. I will show you that. Let me show you a custom question which you can ask using this tool. So I have a question: what trends and recommendations should a business consider to capitalize on generative AI in electronics sector? So if the answer of this question is present in the research paper you have uploaded, then you will get the answer. So let's see whether we are getting the answer or not. So I'm clicking on get answer. So as my answer was present in the research paper, I've got answer from this document and this is my answer. So it's giving me trends and recommendation as I asked here. See, the keywords are matching. So our answer is appropriate. In this way, you can ask custom questions from the research papers. It is a complete go-to tool for research analysis. And also the questions which you are asking are appended in chat history. So anytime you can refer here. This is about the tool. Hope you find it useful and interesting. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned. If you want to connect with AI and want tailored solution for business use case, then connect with us at Intuce today. Like, share and subscribe for more business related insights.